So tell us about when you first started gauging your ears, how long it's been, and then what kind of motivated you today to want to get them fixed.
I was 14, so it's been 12 years. I went through a lot of pain gauging them, and you know, I just want a cleaner look. It's time to get more of a grown-up thing. And
Perfect.
people look at me funny every now and then, so
Yeah.
Like I said, you might feel, you might hear some stuff there, it might be a little disconcerting to you.
You're touching my ear right now?
Yep.
That's crazy to me. What?
Yeah.
That's nuts.
Okay, that's good for you.